These high-power Dodge Challengers come in two flavors, badass and more badass. The stout SRT 392 packs a 485 horsepower Hemi V8, and the notorious SRT Hellcat possesses a 707 horsepower supercharged Hemi V8. Both have substantial brakes and an adaptive suspension, a standard 6-speed manual transmission or a proficient 8-speed automatic funnels power to the rear wheels. The Hellcat widebody has a distinct appearance thanks to flared fenders and wider wheels and tires. These power-crazy Challengers still provide exceptional comfort with a spacious cabin and plentiful standard features. While the Chevrolet Camaros ZL1 and the Ford Mustang Shelby GT 350 are more talented on a racetrack, the diabolical Dodges generate nostalgia and release our inner delinquency, which includes the effortless roasting of rear tires. Badasses indeed. Highs comfy and crazy, filled with standard features, the Hellcat has 707 horsepower. Hot damn. Low's sloppy handling compared with rivals, replacing roasted tires adds up, aging appearance. Verdict: as the pony car wars approach DEFCON 1, the Challenger is the most powerful, if least precise, weapon. What's new for 2018? While the drag-strip-destroying SRT Demon is the most interesting addition to the 2018 Challenger lineup, we cover that Hellion separately. The new Hellcat widebody features flared fenders and wider 20-inch wheels. An electrically assisted power steering system replaces the hydraulic setup on a regular model. Both Hellcats also receive restyled grilles and fender badges and newly illuminated air catcher headlights with a Hellcat logo. The list of options now includes a matte vapor wheel finish, dual gunmetal stripes, demonic red Laguna seating, and a new red badge on the instrument panel. The Hellcat's Brembo brake calipers can be painted black, orange, or gunmetal, too. The SRT 392 is mostly unchanged, but the brass monkey 20-inch wheels are now optional. Every 2018 Challenger is a backup camera. The lineup adds F8 green and indigo blue exterior colors. Whoever named the latter color was clearly a University of Michigan fan. These new shades, along with B5 blue and plum crazy, have late availability. What was new for 2017? Dodge's Street and Racing Technology SRT Group began tuning Challengers with the car's 2008 revival. An extensive refresh in 2015 included the SRT 392 and the SRT Hellcat. Since then, changes have been minor, and that remained true for 2017. Every Challenger received an updated dual-connect infotainment system. The 8.4-inch touchscreen with navigation, standard on SRT models, added multi-touch gestures. New exterior paint colors included green go, yellow jacket, destroyer gray, and octane red. White knuckle and contusion blue are renamed carryover colors. Both SRT cars added an illuminated steering wheel logo. The Hellcat received new badging, and its standard 20-inch wheels were redesigned to save £16. Trims and options we chose for 2017. How much do you care about horsepower? If you're like us, a lot. The Challenger SRT 392 $51,290 to start is a sweet ride, but the same 485 horsepower V8 is available on the RT Scat Pack model for about $11,000 less. The Hellcat, with its 707 ponies of supercharged fury, starts at $65,290. Both models have a host of standard features, including 8.4-inch Uconnect touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, leather-trimmed interior with heated and ventilated front seats, blind spot monitor and rear cross-traffic alert, SR-tuned adaptive dampers. We'd take the Hellcat home with the standard 6-speed manual. The 8-speed automatic is quicker but adds $2,995. Of the limited available options, we'd snag the high-performance summer tires $695. Heavy-footed buyers be warned, the hot rod honeymoon will be expensive if you roast the rubber too often. Our SRT Hellcat costs $65,985. It'll satisfy horsepower junkies and provide a ticket to burnout paradise. Both the Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 Coupe and the Ford Mustang Shelby GT 350 cost thousands less, but the Hellcat will satisfy horsepower junkies and provide a ticket to burnout paradise. The mad scientists at Dodge's SRT laboratory pulled a Samuel L. Jackson and went all Old Testament with the almighty 707 horsepower Hellcat engine. See the diabolical 840 horsepower SRT demon elsewhere, filed under U for utterly unnecessary but totally awesome. The SRT 392 has only 485 ponies, but even it will reduce the rear rubber to clouds of billowing smoke faster than someone can ask, "That thing got a Hemi?" What's new for 2018? The 6.4-litre V8 SRT 392 and the supercharged 6.2-litre V8 SRT Hellcat carryover unchanged for 2018. The 8-speed automatic and 6-speed manual transmissions are also the same. The new Hellcat widebody is available with the same powertrains as its slimmer namesake. We track tested one with an automatic. It roared from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.8 seconds and went from 50 to 70 miles per hour in 2.2 seconds. Both figures are within 0.2 seconds of the last automatic Hellcat we tested. The widebody also completed the quarter mile in nearly identical fashion, 11.8 seconds at 126 miles per hour. Test results: acceleration, 2017 Dodge Challenger SRT 392 SRT Hellcat high horsepower ratings are supplemented by ample torque support. The SRT 392 generates 475 lb-ft from its 6.4-litre V8, while the Hellcat's supercharged 6.2-litre has 650. Although we've yet to test the lower spec SRT, the same engine in the Challenger tar we drove was remarkably responsive and prone to spinning the rear tires. We've driven several Hellcats and, as expected, never had trouble tapping into the endless power supply. However, launching the unruly beast straight and true is an exercise in extreme car control. Both SRTs exhale through a dual exhaust system with 2.8-inch pipes. It makes an insidious growl at startup that builds to a hellish howl under heavy throttle. The Hellcat's distinct supercharged whine will send shivers down your spine, from either fear or excitement, and most likely both. Hellcat buyers received two key fobs. The black fob limits engine output to a mere 500 horsepower while the red fob unlocks all 707. The standard 6-speed manual transmission is plenty of fun, but the clutch pedal is stiff and the throws are long. The 8-speed automatic can snap off lightning fast shifts and still provide a pleasurable cruising experience. The automatic adds $2,995 to the bottom line but subtracts a couple of tenths from the 0 to 60 mph and quarter mile times.